Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Sips By. If you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a monthly tea subscription. It's a tea of the month club. Basically, it's customized. When you, there's a hair on it. When you sign up for Sips By, you tell them the flavors that you like. Do you want caffeinated? Do you want herbal? What do you want? And then from there, they will send you 4 teas each month. And then from there, you can actually go buy more at the retailers with the coupons you get. Or you can go on Sips By's website and customize, tell them what you liked in the box, what you didn't like the box, and then the next month it'll be even more customized for you. Every box is $15. This is my February box, so let's see. Before we start, I like a mix of herbal and caffeinated. I also like floral teas. All right. So here's my insert at the back. It says Ashley's, made for Ashley, and then each of the teas are kind of explained. We'll look at that at the end though. All right, first up, every box from Sips By comes with some disposable tea bags in a little sachet bag. The sachet bag you can use for so many different things. I really like it. All right, so the teas. We have two bags. There's probably 2 in here. Yeah, there's 2 in here. This is from Sarjesa Herbal Tea Tisane. It's a chamomile blend. So this is caffeine free, and it has chamomile, clover, and rose petals. Yes! Oh my god, that sounds amazing. I am so excited. This is a Canadian brand. They're from Calgary, Alberta. So there's that. So there's 4 bags of that. Then we have a tea this is from Tranquility Organic, who they sent a tea just a month or 2 ago. It was so delicious. I loved it a lot. This is their organic chocolate cherry chai. In here you have black tea, chocolate chips, cherry pieces, safflower, natural chocolate cherry essence, and this is obviously it's black tea. It's caffeinated. And that is does it say the size of this package? I don't know. I guess it's 1 or 2 ounces. All right, then we have, this is from Mother Nurture Wellness. This is the Jean-Pierre Champagne blend. That sounds fantastic. So this is, I lost my train of thought. This, for every 8 ounces of tea, it tells you how much, 1.5 teaspoons of this. This is beautiful. Can you see like the little pieces in it? Just a gorgeous tea. It's oolong tea, papaya pieces, plum petals, safflower petals, and natural flavors. So this is going to be like a medium caffeine, because it is oolong, you know, something you'll drink maybe at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, not a 8 o'clock tea. You know what I'm saying? All right, our final tea is from Tea Kitten. This is Pink Citrus Magic. Magic with a K. This is a green tea, low caffeine. This is green tea, apple, purple dragon fruit, lemongrass, blue butterfly, pea blossoms, pomelo, lemon peel, watermelon flavoring. That sounds fantastic. All right, let's look at, and this is loose, as is this one, That's why you get the disposable tea bags. So we have the cherry chai from Tranquility. That's obviously caffeinated. The Pink Citrus Magic is low caffeine. The Jean-Pierre Champagne, beautiful tea, has low caffeine as well. And then the chamomile blend is caffeine free. So as you can see, it does run the gamut. There is a good deal of flower essence in these teas. So I'm super excited to try them out. They're all new to me. I haven't tried any of these. I have tried the brands, like I've heard of Tea Kitten. I've received some of theirs, and this Tranquility Organic. The other 2 brands are completely new, but I've never tried any of these teas. And that's the best thing about this subscription, is that you get to like try different flavors. If you're an experimental person when it comes to food and variety, like I am, this is something you're going to want to try. I guarantee you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out Sips By, I have the affiliate link. I'll put that down below. I'll also link to my full review on my blog, where we will go in depth. As always, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.